Another day, another package. Let's see what we got here. This is the Momax 65 watt one world travel adapter. This is gonna become really handy this week or next week when I go to Sweden and Italy for a couple of press events. You always need something like this to protect your equipment and make life easier on the road. So let's check it out. One World Jan 65 watt. So 2 USB ports and then 2 of the new one, the C class, which are much faster. This is Europe, most of Europe. This is England, and this is the US and most of Latin America. So we will try this next week in Sweden. Wow, we got a Momax 100 watt travel adapter. Wow. And a 35 watt. So I have the whole collection. 35, 60, and 100. So here we are at the, where are we? Gothenburg Airport?
We are at Gothenburg Airport.
And I'm here with Larry.
It's the only airport in the world with chandeliers and security. It's unbelievable.
It was fun, safe, and quickly. So we're going to Milan, and we're gonna take opportunity of the time here at the lounge of SAS, Scandinavian Airlines, to do a little demo of what we do when we travel. So how many devices do you have when you travel? How many devices do you have to charge?
Oh God, so many. Well, I have my
Computer.
my computer, a tablet, and of course, I do have a device to keep my iPhone steady when I shoot video. Although I didn't do any this time.
Okay, so here we are, 3 Momax One World travel adapters. So you see they're different, 35, 65, and 100. So that's the output. So the more output, the more devices you can charge. So we're gonna do a little unboxing here at the airport. Yeah, that's the 100. This is the 35.
It's kind of weighty.
These are the instructions. Do you ever read instructions for anything?
Oh gosh, no.
They work, but anyway, in any case, you want to read them. They're here, very clear. So this one, while Larry opens the other one, has all the different sizes. So this is USA. Oh, it's labeled USA, Australia, UK, and Europe. So
Yes, same here. It's really handy.
very nice.
What about the cheap? Even the cheap one does.
Well, not
Even
the
the
cheap
least
one, the less capacity.
The lowest capacity. They all have they're labeled, so you don't have to guess.
Yeah, exactly. So
Because I have one, but you have to guess.
Exactly.
It's one of these all-ons.
so
This is also, you know what? I like the square shape because I have one and it's rounded. It makes it very hard to pack.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, these will fit anywhere in the little thing. Oh, they have other kind of chargers. I might get this one because this is for the phone, the AirPods, and the Apple Watch that I'm wearing now. So
That is really convenient.
So here, let's see now. So here we are in Europe, right?
Yes.
Oh, but this is the problem. Oh no, it reaches out. There it is, plugged in. And now, if you can see my camera, one of my cameras, 5% charge. So this is what which one is this? The 65, give me this
That's
one.
the one you want. That's the
Yeah.
powerful one.
So we
Of
pull
course,
out
your
the-
the power rate will reduce depending on how many items you have plugged into it.
Of course, yeah, but the 100 can
But-
charge 2 computers.
It's very strong.
So this is for the camera, uses the regular USB port. We hook it up here and we're charging now the GoPro camera. So let's put more devices on it.
Did you see the one I already have? It's a bit bulky.
Oh no! This is way too big. Look at the difference.
Yes.
And you only have
Two USBs.
two USB port for the old ones. You don't have the new ones.
Well, it is an old plug.
Yeah. So now you have this for the iPhone, for example, the iPad. This is the other way, reverse. So you can plug the one from the computer to the phone. So
You can see how out of date that is.
This is gonna be retired soon, like as soon as we finish this video. And then I plug in here for my computer. Like this.
Look how easy that is.
Well, only if Apple make this easier would be better, but that's what it is. So this one goes here. So now we're charging the computer, the camera. I could also charge my Garmin, my Apple Watch. Do you have an Apple Watch? What do you have? No,
I don't.
You wear real watches.
Analog, but it has two faces on it.
Okay,
So I know
that's
what time
cool.
zone I'm in.
So here they are, very practical. The size is really nice. The design, as Larry said, beautiful because it's square. It matches everything.
I love the fact that they're labeled.
Yeah.
The different sliders.
Yeah,
are
because a
labeled.
lot of people, not you, you're a very experienced traveler, but some people don't have any idea where to use this. So now you know. So here they are. Highly recommended. And which one do you want, Larry?
I want the big boy.
Okay. We'll see how it goes. We'll have to fight for that one. Let's go to Milano now.
Let's do it.
So now I have arrived here at my hotel in Milano, in Italy, and I have everything charging. The Apple Watch Ultra, my iPhone, my Power Mac, my Garmin Plus 5, and my GoPro. So everything out of this amazing adapter from Momax. This is the beauty about this thing. You just plug one thing, plug everything around it, and you're charging and you'll be ready for today's work. And that's the key thing when people ask about how can I be a video producer? Well, to be able to be a video producer, you better charge all your batteries the night before so you're ready for tomorrow. So thank you, Momax.